In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your IKEA Family Card online. Whether you're a seasoned pro when it comes to navigating the internet or new to managing your memberships online, this guide will help simplify the process. So let's dive in. To begin, you will want to head over to the official IKEA website. Once there, you'll want to locate the section. This is where you can log in or sign up if you haven't created an account yet. If you're already an IKEA family member, simply click on Sign In. Here, you'll be required to enter your email. It's crucial to make sure you're inputting the email linked to your IKEA family membership to ensure all your benefits are accessible. Once you've entered your email, you will click on Log In with your password and type in your secure password. This is an important step, as it verifies your identity and ensures your account remains secure. After entering your password correctly and clicking on Login, you'll be directed to your personalized dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to access your IKEA family profile. Look for your profile name, click on it, then from the drop-down menu, select your IKEA family. This brings up your digital IKEA family card, complete with your member ID and QR code. Remember, having this information accessible is handy for both online shopping and in-store visits. You can also find your digital card in the IKEA mobile app under the IKEA Family Card section, which is perfect for when you're on the go. With your card ready, shopping online becomes a breeze. Browse through the wide array of products on IKEA's website and add your desired items to the cart. One of the great things about being an IKEA family member is the automatic application of discounts on eligible items. As you shop, look out for the IKEA family price tag beside products. Not only does it signify a good deal, but it's also evidence that your membership is working as intended. When you're ready to make a purchase, click on the shopping cart icon and proceed to checkout. Double check that you're still logged in. This is essential as the system will automatically apply any available IKEA family member discounts to your final order total. This step is what makes all the difference in maximizing your IKEA family benefits. Finally, managing your IKEA family rewards and updates is straightforward. Navigate to IKEA Family Swipe Benefits to see your rewards, exclusive coupons, or gain access to early sales. You can also update your communication preferences and profile settings to tailor your IKEA experience further. And there you have it. Accessing your digital receipts and order history is as simple as going to My Account and selecting Purchases. This section automatically tracks past purchases and allows you to download receipts or manage returns. By following these steps, you'll make the most of your IKEA family membership online, enjoying both convenience and savings. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!